Good morning everyone, just going to give you a little walkthrough of today's job. It's block paving. It's like a double driveway, but it's not big enough to fit a car in. So here it is, comes all the way up here. There's a little pathway just here. I've set up just round in this corner, and you go through this section here. It's got some pretty rough staining. It looks like somebody's had a go already. It's not come up very well. There's a lot of moss in between the gaps. You can see they're very thick. So hopefully we'll get this all cleaned up today and get it resanded later on this afternoon. So as you can probably see, the drainage is pretty awful. I did know this when I first came to quote that it was going to be pretty rough because there's this lip just down here, and obviously everything slopes this way. It's exactly the same on the other side over there, and you can see the water just going all the way across. So I'm going to rinse everything down into these little pools at the end, and then there's a drain just on the road here which I can get rid of most of it. I'll just have to collect the sludge from it. So I'll do that now and start brushing all the sludge back up the drive so it doesn't go into the main water system. I think it's 24 degrees today. I've got my sun cream on, but I'm still sweating.